Namaskar, this is Punya here. On occasion of this Teachers' Day, I'm just going to tell something about my teachers, my parents, my students, from where I have learned too many things. So, see, like it's mentioned, teaching is the profession that teaches all the other professions. So, a good teacher teaches from the heart. Teacher, being one is the highest privilege, having one is the best blessing. Happy Teachers' Day 2020. So, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year, and it is observation day. It is celebrated all over the country, and in every institutes it is celebrated. So, the picture here is of my father. So, my father is the first teacher of my life, from where I have learned too many things from him. So, I just don't have words. I was born and brought up like a princess, and I just want to tell that he has taught me so many things that words are short to describe. So, thank you, Baba, for giving me each and every aspect of life, teaching me hardships, teaching me how to work hard, teaching me how to respect, and teaching me how to fight for the correctness. Next comes my mama. My mom is the best mom in the world. She never used to ask me to go to kitchen. She told that you should always study and something and do something in life. My mom like never told me that go to the kitchen and cook something. I even didn't know like where the glasses in the kitchen were. So it was very difficult for me when I thought of getting married. But yes, my in-laws were also very nice, so I could adjust very nicely with them. Thank you, mom, for supporting and helping me to build my life and be a good human and learn too many things from your end. Thanks, Mama. So, everyone's life is the best life when they are in the school. And yes, of course, the pic says about my teachers. These are my school teachers, and school life is the best life, no doubt in that. They gave me a correct idea, correct English, correct behavior, correct response, respect. And as a student, I have learned too many things from them. So I just want to thank all my teachers for helping me, putting in efforts uh, to make me a good human being. Thank you, teachers. This is my GFS family. Thank you, teachers. This pic says about my English teacher. She is Mrs. Sasmita Mishra. And, like I never used to speak in school times, but she used to always encourage me to speak up. And she implemented too many ideas. So, how can I speak? See, ma'am, I'm not too good in English, but yes, I thank you for helping me speak good English. And I think you will like my English nowadays. Thank you, ma'am. Look who is here, my physical education teacher. He always ran after me and said, "Yes, you can do it. You can do it." So I'm doing it till now. Sir, I have just started, like, not now, but from last 3 to 4 years, I am continuing for yoga. So thanks for all the things which you have provided to me. Thank you for being with me till date. Next, this is my next level of higher education where I entered for. and these are the group of teachers. They belong to Trident Institute. And yes, I can see the faces of Dakhya sir, Punna sir, Satya sir, Manoj sir. So they all have helped me to prosper in life, learning new things about the topic, and of course have helped me to gain knowledge in the subject which I am prospering today. Thank you, teachers. Yes. Next higher level of education, when I entered for, he played a very good role as a mentor, as a teacher, as a philosopher also, and he guided me for all the things which I could make it. He is Mr. Enkateshwar Shuvadi, and he has helped me to prosper, to enhance, to enlighten my s- views about life as well as about studies. Thank you, sir, for being with me. Yes, he is Raj sir. नाम तो सुना होगा, right? Uh, he is one of the teachers who was like, he didn't like me because I was not studying well. But actually, I was not finding interest in his subject. But when I tried to develop interest in his subject, I got the uh, full mark and also the university highest marks in your subject, right, sir? Thank you for being with me. And your blessings are always with me. Thank you for that also. Next level of teaching when I entered for that was research, and in this field, a most eminent professor and the founder of Institute of Mathematics, one of the founders of Institute of Mathematics and Applications, Dr. Swadhinand Patnaik. He is a mathematics professor and he helped me to carry out my bioinformatics project. And under his observation, I started my career as a teacher, or we can say as a lecturer first. As a biology lecturer, I was teaching. So he has enlightened my life with teaching skills. And I would like to thank you, sir, for all the things which you have provided me. And thank you is a very small word to thank all my teachers, but still, thank you all the teachers, and I love you all. Teachers, like, thank you is a so small word for you to use. So in it's just only a one word to express my feelings about it. But yes, you inspired me to reach my goals and achieve my dreams. More importantly, you inspired me to be you. Thank you, teachers. Happy Teachers Day once again. Hope you like this video. This video is dedicated to all my teachers, all my students also, for whom I am a teacher today. So I will be continuing this teaching till my lifelong. So please support me so that I can enhance goodness in teaching and build few of the students' life to reach heights like my teacher did. And I am obliged to have myself as a lecturer, teacher, mentor, guide, of course, young for my youngsters and their mark touch breaker. So thank you once again, and please, please, please like, share, and watch my video so that it can reach my teachers and students this time. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching.